Welcome to this 2-minute overview of the ERP automation server. During this brief presentation, we'll show you how you can supercharge your ERP output and improve the way you communicate with your customers and key business partners. It may be a cliche, but marketing really is the lifeblood of any business. Successful companies do it well. Full stop. Good marketing creates customers, drives revenue, and improves your sales. An obvious statement, but absolutely true. Every day your business communicates with your customers, and suppliers for that matter. But when did you last review exactly what you send them? Remember, every message, every document, every communication you make has an impression on your customer. With this in mind, all business documents matter, whether it's an invoice, an order acknowledgement, or a purchase order. They all reinforce your brand, create an impression, and ultimately drive sales. Let's think about an example. Your company invoice may look something like this. On the face of it, there's nothing wrong with it. It's got all the key info. It's fairly clear. But it's pretty bland, a bit like listening to elevator music. Yes, it's dull, and all the key info may be there, but it doesn't really engage the customer. Okay, so in an ideal world, with no limitations, what would you really like to send to your customer? The whole point of the ERP automation server is it gives you complete control over every element of your document, be it barcodes, logos, special offers, terms and conditions. Any label can be switched on and off with specific logic. Let's have a look at this example in more detail then. We can add custom terms and conditions depending on the actual customer we're sending the document to. In fact, any element on the document or form can be turned on and off driven by logic from your ERP system or indeed a secondary ODBC data source. So it's really simple to query a customer account number, then incorporate a special offer or a discount token. You're really only limited by imagination, not by your ERP system. Let's look at a real customer. Ferridax are the largest distributor of motorcycle clothing and accessories in the UK. They're very happy with their core ERP system. It's reliable and provides the functionality they need. However, it doesn't give them the flexibility they want to communicate in many different ways to their customer base. Using the ERP automation server, they've now modified their dispatch note output to allow them to automatically add a promotion or marketing statement to every dispatch note that goes out to their customers. Each one is tailored to the customer and to their interests. This in turn drives sales, drives revenue, and helps the company grow. Now you've created the perfect document and you're smiling, let's consider the best format and delivery mechanism. The ERP automation server isn't only about document composition. It's also about delivery and providing the document or the data in the most appropriate format. We can create all the main electronic document formats from PDF to Excel to XML or even custom structured data formats. We've also got all the main delivery mechanisms covered, and we're building new connectors all the time, from hybrid mail solutions to secure e-billing portals to automatic faxing to connectors to SharePoint or other document management systems, or FTP processes to third-party websites. But here's the clever bit. We can tailor each delivery channel to each customer. Perhaps your traditional customer gets a letter or a fax. Your small customer gets a PDF via email, or perhaps an SMS message to notify them when you've shipped a parcel. Your large customer, who has a defined trading standard may get a compliant XML data file. And finally, a high-tech customer gets a CSV or an Excel file via an FTP process. In other words, each customer gets the document delivered in the format that's appropriate to them. One really important point to remember is that we're not tied to a specific ERP vendor or data type. We can work with virtually any host system, and 99% of the time with no modifications to the host data stream. The ERP automation software starts from as little as £195 per month and can be implemented in days with very little input from the IT department. We've helped all sorts of companies automate their business systems and processes, from metal bashers in Birmingham to banks in the City of London. And we'd love to help your business. So please contact us if you'd like a web demo or more information. Thanks for watching this presentation.